Solar-powered gate openers are a game changer. They offer convenience, security, and they're good for the environment. But with so many options on the market, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. That's where we come in. In this video, we'll be breaking down the features, comparing top brands, and helping you find the perfect solar gate opener for your needs. Let's go! Looking for a gate opener that can handle the elements and your specific needs? Then the mighty Mule MM371W might be the perfect fit. This mighty Mule boasts serious muscle. It can handle gates up to 16 feet long and weighing a hefty 550 pounds. Its weather-resistant design tackles temperatures ranging from -5°F to 160°F, making it a reliable choice for year-round use in most climates. Key features: handles gates up to 16 feet long and 550 pounds. Durable and weather-resistant. Smart home compatible. Solar power convertible. UL325 certified for safety. The GC Ghost Controls TDS2XP gate opener is a powerful and secure solution for those with dual swing gates. It's designed specifically for dual swing gates, handling a total weight capacity of 900 pounds and a maximum opening of 24 feet. Also, this opener equipped with a 10-watt monocrystalline solar panel, making it an eco-friendly choice. The system can be upgraded to a 30-watt panel for additional juice. Key features: handles dual swing gates up to 900 pounds total weight, maximum opening width of 24 feet, 10-watt solar panel. Remote range up to 1,000 feet with Ghost Code security, no welding or high voltage required. The TOPENS A8S automatic gate opener is a strong contender for those seeking a powerful yet quiet opener with a straightforward installation process. Its adaptability to different gate types, multiple power options, and advanced security features make it a well-rounded choice for many homeowners. The TOPENS packs a punch with a 24-volt DC, 80-watt motor. This muscle tackles gates up to 18 feet long and weighing a hefty 880 pounds, ensuring smooth operation for even heavy gates. Key features: 80 watts motor handles gates up to 880 pounds and 18 feet. Quiet operation for a peaceful experience. Simple installation process. Works with various gate types. Advanced code technology for secure access. A C battery and solar power options. The COZ automatic sliding gate opener is the perfect choice for those with large and heavy sliding gates. This opener boasts a mighty 280 watts electric motor, making it a powerhouse for heavy-duty tasks. It can effortlessly handle sliding gates up to a whopping 40 feet long and weighing the maximum of 1,400 pounds. This solar system gate opener utilizes frequency encryption technology to prevent unauthorized access attempts. Key features: 280 watts electric motor handles gates up to 1,400 pounds and 40 feet. Speed of 42 feet per minute for efficient operation. Simple setup with included tools. Frequency encryption technology for security. 2 remotes with 100 feet range. Say goodbye to relying solely on electricity. The GC Ghost Controls TSS1XP is a solar-powered champion, ideal for locations where running electricity to your gate isn't an option. This eco-friendly design ensures smooth operation without adding to your electricity bill. The gate opener boasts an impressive remote control range of up to 1,000 feet. Also, you can quickly set up temporary codes for up to 20 different guests, granting them easy entry while maintaining control over your property. Key features: solar power for off-grid operation, remote control range up to 1,000 feet, wireless keypad for easy guest access management, 2 gate brackets for simplified installation. The TOPENS A3S automatic gate opener is a strong contender for those with light-duty swing gates who prioritize a solar-powered solution with convenient features like auto-close and easy installation. This solar-power automatic gate opener is equipped with a 24-volt DC, 30 watts motor, making it suitable for single swing gates up to 12 feet long and weighing a maximum of 300 pounds. Never forget to close the gate again. The A3S features a convenient auto-close function, ensuring your gate shuts automatically behind you for added security. Key features: ultra-quiet operation for a peaceful experience, advanced code technology for secure access control, a C battery and solar power compatibility, easy installation process, stop and reverse function. The mighty Mule MM372W automatic gate opener offers a blend of convenience, security, and smartphone compatibility, making it a great choice for medium-duty double swing gates. The gate opener is built for durability. It can handle double swing gates up to 16 feet long and weighing up to 550 pounds. Also, it's designed to work with various gate types, offering flexibility in your design choices. Key features: smartphone control compatible, handles double swing gates up to 16 feet and 550 pounds, works with various gate types, quick and easy installation, compatible with iOS and Android. The TOPENS A5S automatic gate opener offers a compelling combination of functionality, security, and power, making it a strong contender for those with single swing gates. It boasts a 24-volt DC, 50 watts motor, capable of smoothly operating single swing gates up to 16 feet long and weighing up to 550 pounds. This covers a wide range of typical gate applications for residential properties. Key features: 50-watt motor handles gates up to 550 pounds and 16 feet, compatible with various single swing gates, advanced code technology for secure access, auto-close and soft start/stop functions for convenience, manual release key for backup, easy installation process, AC, battery, or solar powered. The COZ 3,300 pounds automatic sliding gate opener is the perfect choice for those with large, heavy sliding gates or properties requiring a high level of security. This opener boasts a mighty 550 watts electric motor, making it a force to be reckoned with. It can effortlessly handle sliding gates up to a whopping 40 feet long and weighing a maximum of 3,300 pounds. Key features: 550 watts electric motor for gates up to 3,300 pounds and 40 feet. Durable ABS cover and all-copper motor. 2 remote controls with a range of 100 feet. Automatic closure for added security. The mighty Mule MM571W automatic gate opener caters to those with heavy-duty single swing gates, offering a blend of power, smartphone compatibility, and reliable backup options. It's specifically designed for single swing gates up to a hefty 18 feet long and weighing up to 850 pounds. The comprehensive kit, along with its ability to handle sizable gates, makes it a powerful and convenient choice for many homeowners. Key features: designed for heavy-duty single swing gates. Maximum gate length, up to 18 feet. Maximum gate weight, up to 850 pounds. Smartphone control compatible. Suitable for all single gate types. AC transformer for continuous power supply. 12-volt battery for backup power. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you understand the different options available and which one might be the best fit for your needs. Remember, when choosing a gate opener, consider factors like the size and weight of your gate, power source, and any smart features. Thanks again for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more informative content.